Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, unique, classy, and trendy video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, the basic purpose and the basic concern and focus on today's video is one type of very trendy design idea that are peacock embroidery designs along with a very beautiful and trendy blend of floral embroidery patterns. So these type of peacock embroidery designs with a well blended mixture of floral embroidery designs is absolutely favorable for uh, shirts embroidery or any type of denim fabric like a jacket, like even onto the pockets of your jeans, crew neck shirts, sweatshirts, blended t-shirts, absolutely favorable for winter dresses. You can use them as a very beautiful embroidery motif onto the back of your shirts. Even you can embroider these onto the corners of your stroller, mini shawl, or scarf. You can design these very beautiful patterns of peacock embroidery onto the baby girl dresses, onto their frocks, onto their shirts, onto their skirts as well. The scope is not only limited to this, you can also embroider these very beautiful patterns of DIY trendy peacock embroidery patterns onto your DIY type of home decor like pillow cover, cushion cover, bed sheets, quilt covers, and many more. Now we will talk about that these peacock embroidery patterns are very colorful, that which type of thread you can use. If you are an embroidery beginner, then I would recommend you to use already colored, that is shaded threads that are being available in the market in the form of different shades of anchor or DMC threads. And if you are level next to the embroidery beginner, you are termed as embroidery artist, then I would recommend you to use separate threads one by one color wise to give them more uh, creativity, elegance, and decency to the whole pattern. So this was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.